Welcome to Traffic. In this video, I am going to explain the programming question of Bongaigaon district pre-test paper. First, question number 6. Write a C program to find the summation of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube. So to do this program, we have to use a loop. It can be either for loop, while loop, or any other loop. As it is not mentioned here, we can use any loop. And we have to take a variable as n or any other, and we should take it from the user. And after that, we'll have to take another variable, that is sum, and we'll store the addition result inside the sum. So let's do the program. First, we'll open code block or any other C compiler. We'll create a new file. So here we'll go new, then empty file, and first we will save the file. We'll go save file as, and the file name will give any name as question 6, so q6.c. Now to write a C program, our first line is to assign the header file. So include stdio.h, and now main function int main. After defining the main function, we will put curly braces, and now here we will declare the variable int I, this is for loop, index, and which I am going to take from the user, sum, where I am going to add the numbers, and we will define the sum as 0. Now we'll take the value of n from user. For that, we'll write a printf statement, and here we'll write enter the value of n, and we will take it from the user. For that, we'll write scanf, and as I am going to accept integer value, so %d, and we are going to store it inside variable, and so %n. Now we'll use for loop. For I, we will start from 1, then I will go till n, and each time the value of I will be plus plus. And inside the for loop, we have to do the calculation. Here we'll write sum equal sum plus, and inside bracket we will write, as it was 1 cube, so we will write 1 I into I into I, semicolon. Now we'll come out from the for loop, and here we'll write a printf statement, and here inside the printf statement we'll write sum equal %d, and it is stored in the variable sum, and at last return 0. Our program done. First we'll save the program. Now we'll go to debug, and here we'll choose start, this one option. Sorry, we'll go to build, and we'll select build and run. As here asking me the value of n, let it be 4, and the answer will be 100. So this way we can solve the question number 6. You can see the code from here. Now we will move to the next question. Write a C program to find summation of digit and integer. This one I have already explained many times. I will give you the video link in description or comment. Please see it from there, otherwise it take time. Next, can we put a third loop inside inner loop of a nested loop construct? Write a C program to justify your answer. The answer will be yes, we can. For drawing some pattern or some complex calculations, we have to use more than one loop. It can be 2, 3, 4, any other number inside a parent loop. For example, we can give this example: Here I have one parent loop. This is the main loop, outer loop 4, and the parent loop, the variable is I equal 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. And inside this for loop I am creating another for loop. The first for loop is for spaces, second for loop is for first triangle, and the third for loop is for next triangle. The output will be like this. Let's go here, build. So to drawing this pattern, first for loop for this blank spaces, and second for loop for this triangle, and third for loop is for this triangle. So this way we can use 3 loops inside a nested loop. So this will be the answer. Now we will move to the next question. Write a C program to enter 5 numbers in an array and find their sum and product. We have to find the product and sum also. First we have to create a new file new, then empty file. Also you can press the shortcut key Ctrl Shift and N, and first we'll save the file. We'll give the file name as question number 9, so q9.c. At first the header file include stdio.h, and here main function int main, and after the main function we'll need the variable, so int, as we need a array variable, so arr, and we will give the sizes 5 as we have to accept 5 numbers. I variable, this is for index, and we need 2 more variables, sum, this is to add the summation of the element of the array, and one more variable product, and this is will define as 1. Why sum is 0 and product is 1? Because if we multiply any number with 0, it will be always remain 0. That's why we are giving product as 1, and if we multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same number. So this is the reason. First we will write the for loop for, or we can write a printf statement here, and here we'll write enter the array element. In next line we will write for loop for, we'll start I from 0 as it is an array, I less than 5 and I plus plus, and inside it we will write printf statement again, and here we'll write enter element %d, and it will be here we'll write I plus 1. After that we'll go to next line. Here we'll write scanf, and here we'll read the integer, so %d, and we are going to store it inside variable inside the array, so arr I, and also we have to give ampersand symbol as it is an memory location or reference, that's why. Now we'll come out from the loop. We are going to create another for loop for, here I equal 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus, and inside it here we'll write sum equal sum plus arr I, and product also we have to do, so we will write product equal product into arr I, and now we'll come out from the loop. Here we are going to use printf statement to display the output. First we'll write sum equal %d and the value is stored inside sum variable. And next line again, printf. Here we will write /n because next line I want to display the product. So product equal %d and stored in product. At last return O or 0. Now our program done. We have to compile the program first to check the error, and in copy directly you can write this part. Let's compile. If I have missed any thing, then after it will about to know it. Asking me enter the array element 1. Suppose it is 5, 2 it is 3, 3 it is 2, 1 it is 1, 4 and 8. So here summation is 19 and product is 240. How 19? 5 plus 3 8, 9 10 11 plus 8 19. Now we'll see these are looking like 15 23. So we can do one thing. Here after %d we can give here after %d we can give a colon sign and a space. Then what will happen, whatever input we will write, it will be little bit separate. So you can see here so array element 1 2 3 4 5 and this is the summation and this is the product. Now we'll move to the question number 10, which is almost same as 9. Write a C program to enter 5 numbers in an array and display all the even numbers. We have to display only the even numbers. So as the program is almost same, I am copying some part from it, especially this part, and we'll take a new file now. File, new empty file. We'll save the file as question10.c. First header file, so include stdio.h, and as the beginning part same as the first program, so I am copying and pasting it. Now after taking the input, now we have to display only the even numbers. Let's see the question again. Here showing and display all the even numbers. We have to display only the even numbers, not the even index. So we are going to use for loop. For here we'll use I equal 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and inside the for loop we are going to write one if condition. Will check its number by 2 and will display it if it is divisible. So we'll write if arr bracket inside I module 2 equals 0, means we'll divide the value of array by element of array by 2, and if there is no remainder, suppose first element is 5, we'll divide 5 by 2, there will be a remainder, so it will not display. Inside bracket we are going to just add one printf statement, and here we will write %d and /t. /t is to give one tab space between the element, and here arr between square bracket I, after that semicolon, and now we'll come out from the main for loop. Here we'll write return 0, This is the end of the program, and after that we'll close the main bracket. So this is done. First we'll save the program once, and now we'll go to the build and run. Here I have missed the semicolon, that's why red mark. Let's give the semicolon, again build and run. So asking me to enter the array element, let it be 4, 7, 8, 5 and 2. Now see, we are getting the output as 4, 8, 2, means I am getting only the even numbers. And before displaying the even numbers, we can display also one printf statement here. Before the for loop only, printf the even elements of the array are. And here instead of n we will give t, so that it will give one tab space. Let's run the program now. Build. Seven, 6, 4, 9 and 4. Let it be 6. So here displaying the even elements of the array are 6, 4, 8. As 7 and 9 was odd number, so these two numbers were skipped. So this way we can do the last question, and the number of digit that program I will give in comment section. Please see it from there. So these are the solutions, program solutions of test paper of Bongaigaon district. If you have any other district's question paper, please you can post in my Telegram group. I'll try to solve the question paper for you. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.